Hello, good morning, students. Today we will start a new lesson, modals. Modals are verb and it is called also modals auxiliary. Modals are verbs that are used to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. We define it that modals are the verbs that are used to express the mood or attitude of the speaker. We also already know that auxiliaries are of two types. Helping verbs are of two types, auxiliary or helping verb. Auxiliary or helping verbs are two types. Here, the two types are first, primary auxiliaries. Second, modal auxiliaries. First, primary auxiliaries. Second, modal auxiliaries. We all know about the primary auxiliaries. It consists of be, have, and do. Here the form of be is, are, am, and have, has, have, and had. Be, in be is, are, am, was, were. Be is, are, am, and was, were, have. It consists of has, have, and had. Do, does, and did. It is the form of third, do. It is called primary auxiliaries. Is, are, am are used in continuous tense or in main verb also. Continuous tense, I am reading. Here it is continuous tense. Am is used in it as a helping verb or auxiliary. It is called primary auxiliary. I am reading. You were jumping. It is the use of be. Where is helping verb or auxiliary. It is also called primary auxiliary. Second, it is a main verb. He is a doctor. Here we use is for he is a doctor. It is a main verb, not primary. Here we use have, has, had. For simple in present tense, has, have are used in present and had is used in past. Has, have used in present and had is used in past. Similarly, do and does is used in present. Do or does are used in present, and did is used in past. It is these verbs are in auxiliaries, and it is called primary auxiliaries. We use primary auxiliaries in some tenses or some situation. We will stand by examples. Has and have used in perfect tense, in present. For example, I have learned my lesson. Here have is primary verb, primary auxiliary. I have learned my lesson. Second, he has gone to market. He has gone to market. Has is also in primary auxiliaries, in perfect tense, and had in past. Had is used in past. You had gone to market when I arrived. I came home. You had gone to market when I came home. Here, had is used in perfect tense. It is also, these also has, have, had also used in perfect continuous, perfect simple perfect tense. It is also used. Say, I have a pen. You had a pen. It is in past, present, and you had a pen in past. He had a cow. In past, he had a cow. Have, had, and has. We see that these are the primary auxiliaries. Now, do and does and did also used for primary auxiliaries as a primary auxiliaries. For example, in simple present tense, children do not jump. Here do not is used for primary auxiliaries. That boy does not play. That boy does not play. Here does is used for the primary auxiliary. In negative sentence, we use also in in interrogative sentence or command. In interrogative sentence, did he write a letter? Here did used for interrogative sentence. Did he write a letter? Here did is primary auxiliaries. And now do is used for command order. Don't play here. Here do you used for primary auxiliary or command. Here did in interrogative sentence, did he, interrogative negative, did he not come here? Here did he use for interrogative and it is primary auxiliary. अब हमने देखा यहाँ प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरी जैसे इज, आर, एम, वाज, वेयर, हैज, हैव, हैड, डू, डज, डिड, ये सब प्राइमरी ऑक्सिलरीज के एग्जाम्पल थे जिसको हम कंटिन्यूअस टेंस या परफेक्ट टेंस या और हेल्पिंग वर्ब में यूज किया जाता है। अब हम पढ़ेंगे मॉडल्स। मॉडल्स में मॉडल्स एक्सिलरी भी कहा जाता है। मॉडल्स आल्सो इज कॉल्ड मॉडल एक्सिलरी। कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, ought to, dare, मॉडल्स में कैन, कुड, मे, माइट, ought to, used to, dare, should, would, ये सब मॉडल्स होते हैं और इनका उपयोग मूड और एटीट्यूड ऑफ द स्पीकर को बताने के लिए किया जाता है। और हम लोग एक एक करके इसका स्टडी करेंगे इन नेक्स्ट क्लास। थैंक यू।